Say hi guys!
Hi guys!
Welcome back to CaliVali. Today me and Ellie are going to show you some Fall-O-Ween ideas to try at home. Kid friendly, right Ellie? Right? Okay. So to make the tie-dye, I just did water, about a little bit less than half a cup, and then I added a few drops of food dye. So we made 5 different colors that we're gonna be using to tie-dye these pumpkins we got at Target. They're soft and felty, so I think they'll dye really easily.
Oh, my pumpkin is cute.
It is cute.
Do yours.
We are going to show you guys how we make colored rice. We're using this rice from Walmart. Exactly. And we're going to make orange, black, and purple for a Halloween look. So here we go. Each bag of rice is going to get its own ziplock. And then we're going to pour in some paint. So let's start with purple. Okay. I'm just going to squeeze it and then we're going to shake it up, okay? You ready to shake? You can do your best shaking. Can you rub it like this? Rub it like this. What color are you making?
Color.
What color?
Like purple.
Yeah. I have my black in. I'm gonna put another layer of foil and then I'm gonna put the next color on top. So they'll all be separated by foil and they'll all be able to dry in one location. Is it fun? Are you scooping it? You scooping? Okay, to make this homemade Play-Doh, we're gonna be using flour, salt, water, oil, and we're gonna be using this pumpkin pie spice I got from Walmart to make it smell good and some food dye so we can change up the colors. For this no-click Play-Doh, we're gonna do 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of salt, 1 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of oil. So you're gonna combine the dry ingredients separate and then you're gonna add the water, which you can make hot if you want to, your food dye, and the oil will be last. I have my dry ingredients ready, my salt, flour, and I added in my pumpkin spice, and now let's throw in the wet ingredients. And here is the before with the water, my oil, and my food coloring. Now let's stir this thing up. Here is my pink Play-Doh. I ended up putting more pumpkin spice because what's the point of pumpkin spice Play-Doh if you can't smell it? So you can really smell it now, and hopefully my house is gonna smell like pumpkin pie after Ellie's done playing with this. So let's make cinnamon. Before I let Ellie tear this apart, these little metal cookie cutters are from Joann's. It was a set, and this pumpkin in different sizes was from Walmart. I'll put the recipe for the Play-Doh and where I got everything in the description box below, so if you're on the hunt for the same items, you can find them easier. Oh, that was fun. Making.
Pudding.
We're gonna make pudding to make dirt cups.
Dirt cup.
Okay, here we go.
It's me, I'm stirring.
Look at you, you're stirring. Stir it up, baby. Cheers.
Ding.
What do you think?
I might eat it.
Does yours look good? These are so easy and so cute. Say bye.
Bye.
We hope you liked our video. Say, go have a yummy treat.
Yummy treat.
Say, mwah, bye.
We had popsicle.